Hey friends, welcome to TechCast Studio. This is Ranveer. In this video, we will talk about how to use out instruction, how we can latch that out instruction. Then we will proceed to set and reset. Then further discuss the keep instruction. So let's start. I have opened the CX Programmer software. I have already defined how to use this software in a previous video. You can check out that link in the I button. So let's create a new program, click the new, then select the PLC. We have to select CP1E series, then go to the settings, select the CPU type. It would be let's say select N40, press OK. Press OK. Let's start by using a new contact. You can use a shortcut for it. It is C. You can select it from here like this and enter, or you can simply press C, then it will create a contact there. We will select working area, so W0.00, press enter. I have given a command start button, and then to go horizontal line, draw a horizontal line, we will select a new horizontal line. You can see click here, or I can do is press the control button and right arrow. It will draw the right side line. Then to use a coil, we have shortcut O, so I will directly press the O. Then I'll enter the CIO area 100.00 as my output. Let's say it's output. I've entered the command, press enter. This is the way to use the out instruction. It's very simple. To test it, let's do simulation. Go to simulation, click on work online simulator. This is have shortcut Control Shift W. Once the simulator will start, you will see this area is gray, and this line gets green. To turn on the output, we can do 2-3 things. Let me close this. Either we can press enter on it and then enter 1 and select set. It will turn on the input and the input will turn on the output. And to turn it off, we will press it enter, double click once again and enter 0 and again set it. This is one way of doing the simulation. Other way is to right click on it and then force on set, then right click force off. This is another way of doing it. Or we have a shortcut also. We press Ctrl plus J to turn it on, Ctrl plus K to turn it off. Then you will see this is a locked symbol. That means it is forced. We can force on, we can force off. To remove the force, we have to press Ctrl L. Do not forget to remove the force. If there is a lock type symbol, then it means it will not turn on even when the input will come. So it is very important to remove the force by pressing Ctrl plus L. So this was the out instruction. Now we will discuss how to latch it. Latching means the output, as you can see now, when I turn on the button by pressing Ctrl J, the output turns on, but as soon as I turn off the start button, the output turns off. Latching is output will stay on until I manually turn it off. So let's online edit. For online edit, shortcut is Control Shift E. Control E. Sorry, the shortcut is Control E. So to use a latching, we will click this W0.0 button. Then in parallel to it, we will use button C. we'll use the shortcut C to create a new contact. Then I will enter w100.00. It is the same address that the output is having. So press enter, and then to join it on the above line, we will use control plus up, or we can simply use this shortcut control new vertical line. So to send the online edit, we will control shift E to send the changes. Now when we turn on the control J with W0.0, the output will turn on, but when we turn it off by pressing control K, the output will stay on because we have connected latching bit 100.00 in parallel to the start button. So this is the latching example. To turn it off, we will need a editing. So we will edit it. We will need a stop button, manual stop button. To enter a NC contact, we can use this this symbol which is shown. I think it's backslash, and then we will enter W0.01. Enter. We'll enter the command stop button. Enter. Then control shift E to send the changes. It will say ask your permission, say yes. Press OK. Now when this is an NC contact, when we will turn it on, it will come open and the output will turn off. So this way our output will turn off. Now let's remove its force, and let's remove its force also by control L, and then press again it. We have to press control L. Let's turn it on by pressing control K, and then press the start button, control J. Output will turn on. Press turn it off again by control K, and to turn off the output we will use control J because it's a NC contact. To remove all the forces, we can use shortcut this option, right click, force, cancel all forces. You can see all the locks are removed in a single click. So this is all in this video. In the next videos we will discuss set and reset and the keep instructions. Thank you for watching this video, and do subscribe my channel to watch the later videos.